Make it happen. I wish. I wonder. This is how every Hallmark movie starts, isn't it? Where is it? I know I bought it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh my gosh, so I guess we're doing this, guys. We're going live with Phil Saffron Stocking. This is officially the start of this Hallmark style Phil Saffron Stocking fundraiser for Yogi Style. So if you want to support this business, this little dream, this little wellness brand that just won't die, here's your moment. Let's fill Saffron Stocking this holiday season. I have no supplies. That's written with lipstick, and that's from the Dollar Tree. So it's going to take a holiday miracle to save Yogi Style this Christmas.